How to block unknown numbers on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to silence calls from unknown numbers and block specific unwanted callers. This is a quick way to reduce spam and unwanted calls, so make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. Then select Phone. Now tap Screen Unknown Callers and turn on the toggle. This will silence calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. These calls will be sent to voicemail and will still appear in your recent calls. If you want to block a specific unknown number, open the Phone app and tap Calls. Find the number you want to block, then tap the number to open its details. Scroll down and tap Block Caller, then confirm by tapping Block. Keep in mind that Screen Unknown Callers doesn't completely block these numbers. It simply prevents them from ringing your iPhone. To completely block a specific number, use the Block Caller option instead. And that's it. This is how you can block unknown numbers on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.